This is a quick video just to show the difference between gang drilling and single drilling. I've laid out a panel here with 1, 2, 3 Caballero joints, right? 1, 2, 3, and then some simple shelf pins going down as if this was a cabinet side. As you can see, each one of these is drilled separately. Okay, so I'm using these as separate drills at the moment, and we have a router. So we're going to go from router to drill. Okay, so it's a 12mm router and a 5mm drill. So we have to do a tool change from there to there. Now using, let's just preview the tool path a second. So I'm going to reset that and you'll see what I mean as how it's going to actually, let's go reset. And let's just play the visible tool paths. And you'll see the 1, 2, 3 caballeros, sorry, camera's moved. And then the drill, all being drilled separate. Now the difference being, if we reset that preview, and we put the caballeros and gang drilling on, and you can see just that we have the caballeros will be here, and then the drills, instead of drilling one at a time, it's going to drop 5 drills here, 5 drills here, and then 4 drills to do the finishing up points. So it'll be 5, 5, 5, 5, and then 4 and 4. So if we reset the preview and preview the visible toolpaths, what the machine movements are actually going to do is this. And while it doesn't show, these will be infill with another 5 drills, and then 4 drills at the bottom to complete it. Okay, now the runtime is amazingly different. So let me just load this, and what file are we on? Right, this wrong file. If I load this one, and we run that, okay, so just cycle start it, and you'll see how many moves the machine has to do. Okay, so that's running the 3 Caballero joints on the left hand side. So that's how fast it will do the 3 Caballero joints using a 12mm tool. And then it has to drill singly for every one of the points. All right, so we can see that on the drill block itself, we're using just 1 drill down. This is using a drill block, using a single tool. So each one of these is being drilled as a separate tool. And I'm going to let this run just so you can see the run time. The counter reset at the start. You see the counter on the left hand side here. It's coming down now to the finish. This is running at real time. This is what it'll be running at on the machine. Exactly the same speed setup. And we're finished. We have 1 minute and 2 seconds. Now, that's using a drill block. If we were going to use the ATC to swap between one tool to another, you can add 15 to 20 seconds on that. By the time the router spins down, swaps the tool and starts back up, we're going to add a lot of time to it. Now if we load the other file, which is the gang drilling file, so we're going to do this one and open it, and you'll see the difference in time. I'm going to leave it on this screen so you can see what happens. At the moment we've got a single drill, the router on, which is 12mm tool, doing the 3 caballeros. And I've done this so you can see that we have to change tool. Here's the tool change, drill block comes on. And you can see there's just 4 moves for the first 20 holes. And now we're down to 3 extra drills, which is just 2 positions, and we're finished. And that comes out at 33 seconds, start to finish. That's with the router spin up, router spin down. So, the results are, okay, single drill using a drill block, 1 minute, 3 seconds. ATC tool with a single drill, around about 120 seconds, 1 minute 20. Using the gang drilling, 31 seconds. So you can see 31 seconds to 120 is at least 4 times faster All right, 4 threes, 12. So it's 4 times the speed of using an ATC to swap. And without ATC, you're going to take ages because you have to do a manual tool change. Now, take into account that this is just one simple sheet. All right, so we have one simple sheet here with the caballeros and the drilling. Now, if you had a full nest of boards on your machine, there might be 10 of these cabinet sides with their joints, etc. And all of that needs processing time. So if you can reduce by 3 to 4 times your processing time, a 1 hour job takes 15 minutes. So that's what the difference in gang drilling is to normal drilling, and that's why I've been working on it. This will be on Mercury CNC routers from approximately June, when the new machines are developed and totally finished. Okay, thanks for watching.